Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another wonderful and powerful recipe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful element that you can use to make your specific person call you fast. Okay, that person that is in your life that have not been calling you, that have not been communicating with you for over a month or over a week now. You guys have not been talking. The communication has dropped. The issue of communication is what you are going through in that relationship. You can do this call me spell with a powerful item I'm going to show you to make them reach out to you fast. Okay, once you do this spell very well, they are going to call you. Nothing will stop it. Okay, they are going to call you. That is if you do it very well. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip that will help your relationship and love life. So make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end so that you learn this. It's going to help your relationship. Anytime you are having issues about communication in your relationship, you can do this spell, this call me spell with this item I'm going to show you in this video, and your communication will be, sweet again. Okay, so for you to do this call me spell, there are items that you need to have. These items are powerful. They have their spiritual benefits. Okay, you use them, they are going to make that person, wherever the person is, whether you guys are in a long or distant relationship, that person is going to reach out to you. Okay, so what you need to do is to get me this item. Okay, this is called Gideon fruit. Okay, this is called Gideon fruit. This item is very powerful. It's going to make that person uncomfortable until they reach out to you. It's going to make that person to be always obsessed to call you. Okay, it's going to make that person so uncomfortable until they reach out to you. That is the book of this item. This item is used to do a lot of spiritual work. It is used to do a lot of, things when it comes to spiritual work, favor, courses and all of that. But today, we are going to use it to, make your specific person call you. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to do that. So you need to get the item. Okay, this item, Gideon fruit, and the next thing you should get is a red marker. Okay, you need to get a red marker. Now when you get this red marker, you are going to write the name of that specific person, that person that have not been calling you, that you want him or her to reach out to you. That is the person that you are going to write the name on the Gideon fruit. Okay, so you are going to write the name on the Gideon fruit 4 times. Okay, you're going to write the name on the Gideon fruit 4 times. I wish you can see this. Okay, you write the name of that person on the Gideon fruit 4 times. 4 times on the Gideon fruit. Okay, now after writing the name of that person on the Gideon fruit 4 times, the next natural item that you should get is honey. Okay, you need to get honey. Now the reason why you should get honey is because it's going to make this work so fast. Okay, it's going to make it smooth, so that nothing will be a hindrance, nothing will be a blockage to it. Okay, that communication will go smoothly and sweet. So you need to get your honey. Honey has a lot of spiritual benefits. Honey has a lot of spiritual benefits. Okay, so when you get your honey, make sure that you get original honey. Don't use fake one, because there are so many honeys out there. Some are fake, while some are original. But if you can get original one, this is going to work so fast for you. Okay, maybe after a minute or two, you start seeing the call. That is if you get the items original. Okay, you start seeing it, because some things that make some spiritual work to delay is because of fake. Some people are using fake materials, fake things to do spiritual work, and it will delay their work. Okay, so if you can get original one, it's going to make your work so fast and smooth. So when you get your honey, just take a little with your finger like this. Okay, a little of it like this. Okay, now when you have that honey on your finger like this, when you have that honey on your finger, you are going to rub it on that name that you have written on the Gideon fruit. And as you're rubbing that honey on that name, you are going to be making your request. Okay, you are going to be calling the name of that person to call you fast. Okay, you say that you are going to call me fast as I'm doing this spiritual work, as I'm doing this call me spell. You are going to call me fast. You are going to reach out to me any way you can. Okay, you are going to reach out to me. That is what you are going to be saying as you are rubbing that honey on the name that you have written on that Adian fruit. Okay, so you keep rubbing it on the name and be saying your request. Okay, now after you must have finished rubbing that honey on that name that you have written, okay, the next thing that you should do is to look for a place where you are going to burn this Adian fruit. Okay, look for somewhere you can stay and burn this Adian fruit because it is something that is somehow hard to burn. Okay, so make sure that you can burn it in a place that you will be comfortable. Okay, now once you finish burning this Adian fruit, start waiting for the person to call you. Start waiting for the person to reach out to you. Okay, just write the name of that person. Just write the name of that person and use that honey and rub on that names and make your request, and then go out anywhere that you know that you are safe to burn the Adian fruit. Just make sure that you wait and burn it to ashes because it's something that is difficult to burn, but you can burn it. Okay, if you burn it very well, that person is going to reach out to you very fast. Okay, they are going to call you immediately once you have finished burning the Adian fruit. Okay, now this call me spell, can be done in the afternoon or in the evening, not at night, not in the morning. In the afternoon or in the evening, that is the time you can do this call me spell. Okay, and you start seeing the result immediately. This will not waste time. Okay, you start seeing the result immediately. Okay, so if you're having issues in communication, if you're having issues of your partner, your specific person not calling you, this is the type of spell that you need to do. The call me spell with Adian fruit. You will see that that particular person is going to call you fast immediately. This will not take time. Once you do it properly with the right materials, they are going to reach out to you fast. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in this video. Okay, this tip, I don't want to make it to be long. Just do this and you see that that person is going to reach out to you. Okay, if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, you can use the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please do go to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I promise you are not going to regret. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys today. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.